In this tutorial, I'm going to be explaining the filter function with a data validation. Okay, first of all, let's hit on filter. Filter function, the array is going to be the whole table, seizure drugs, include, once again, the same table, seizure drugs, and let's say sex of intervened person, which equal only male, okay, male, and, and if empty, NA, not applicable. There we go. Okay, now we have all the seized drugs and transactions by which the sex that were intervened were male. Okay, let's switch it to female. Okay, female, and there we go. Okay, now let me insert the data validation real quick. Okay, data validation, list, and then click on the unique tab, and with let's do data validation, and then let's insert the hatch tab. So let's double check that the filter is working. Okay, male, female, there we go. Now let's do a cell preference. Okay, equal sign based on this one. There we go. Now let's switch female, male, and that's how we are able to see our filter function in its full capability. Okay, now let's do a data validation for, okay, let's modify our filter function, six drugs, and then we're gonna do this one. We're going to include a two conditions. One, the six drugs of the interviewed person is male. Okay, let's insert the star symbol and let's do seizure. Okay, of the destination location of seizure is equal, let's say, Lima. Lima. Let's go to the okay. Let's insert the parentheses. There we go. Now we have everything that that took place in Lima. Okay, let's reformat this date column. Control Shift arrow down. Control Shift number three. There we go. And now I want to insert a new data validation, list, and then let's go to this unique tab and insert the hash and click OK. And then we're going to do a set reference. Okay. And it's going to be D. Okay. And I think it didn't work because actually it was C. Okay. Let's do C1. There we go. It was in Arequipa. It was in Puno. It was in Loreto. Okay. The location of seizure was in Loreto, in La Libertad, and also Tacna, and the switch into female. Remember, we can apply more conditions in here by inserting the parentheses and inserting the star symbol. Thank you.